Have you ever asked ChatGPT a question and got an answer that sounded perfect but turned out to be completely false? That's not a glitch. It's a dangerous feature. AI hallucinations are when models like GPT or Claude make up facts, references, or even people with full confidence. And here's the scary part. This problem already costs companies over $100 billion a year in misinformation, lawsuits, and lost trust. But now, researchers are racing against time. New breakthroughs like constitutional AI, fact-checking pipelines, and chain-of-thought prompting are showing real promise. Let's decode the hallucination crisis and the tech trying to stop it before it causes even more damage. AI hallucination? It's not science fiction. It happens because large language models don't know truth. They predict the next word based on patterns, not verified facts. Studies show that models currently hallucinate in 15 to 20% of real-world use cases. In fields like law, healthcare, or finance, that margin of error can be the difference between safety and disaster. In 2023, Air Canada's chatbot made up an imaginary refund policy, and the court made the company honor it. In the medical field, a single hallucinated drug interaction could cost lives. That's why the AI industry is investing millions into hallucination prevention. And here's how they're fighting back. Constitutional AI, an AI with its own ethics system. Anthropic, the team behind Claude, is using something called constitutional AI. Imagine training an AI not just on language, but on rules, like a list of principles about honesty, fairness, and safety. It's like giving the model its own internal moral compass. Claude models using constitutional AI have reached 94% accuracy in rejecting harmful or false queries, a massive improvement over older techniques. Instead of relying on human feedback alone, Claude self-critiques based on its constitution. More safety, less hallucination. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. This is the technique behind models like ChatGPT. Here, real humans score AI responses by usefulness and truthfulness. The model then learns what sounds correct versus what is correct. But HRLF has limits. It requires lots of labor and still catches only what's reviewed. So researchers have added another weapon. Chain-of-thought prompting, making the AI think out loud before giving a final answer. By forcing logical thinking, hallucination rates drop by up to 32%. Example, instead of asking, "What's the capital of Switzerland?" and risking the AI saying, "Stockholm," we prompt, "Let's reason step by step. Switzerland is in Europe, its government is in Bern. Result, it's more accurate because it explains itself." Fact-checking pipelines. Also, some developers now insert a layer after response generation where third-party APIs or retrieval models fact-check AI outputs before showing them to users. Picture an internal Google working silently behind every sentence. This is especially useful in enterprise AI systems, like those deployed in hospitals or legal firms, where hallucinations cannot be tolerated. Goldman Sachs estimates that AI hallucinations could cost the global economy over $100 billion annually in legal risks, customer loss, and incorrect decisions. In fields like self-driving cars, military defense, or emergency response, a hallucination could literally be fatal. And as AI gets integrated into more critical systems, these risks won't disappear. They'll multiply. We're witnessing the early days of a silent war, not between humans and machines, but between accuracy and illusion. New guardrails like constitutional AI, HRLF, and chain-of-thought prompts are our first defense. Because the future of AI isn't just about thinking faster, it's about knowing what's real and what's not. And fixing hallucinations might be the single most important step to making AI truly trustworthy.